Got Jay out here, famous Jay. About to run a 2-0. Get down there, Jay. Make a clean pass.
Not at all.
You're good. You're good. So it's pulling hard to the left, right up. All right, y'all. We are now testing from the first video you see. As you see the sun's going down, we had the yoga people here testing. They come and tend to take up the whole parking lot when we test. So we let them get their hour. Now we trying to test now. So let's see what happens. It's not really you. Keep going up.
No, it red lighted me.
For real?
Yeah.
Keep going. You scared to go up?
Red lighted right off the rip.
Cause you took. Oh, it's 2 seconds. It won't let me change it on this. So you got 2 seconds for both of y'all to stage and the light drop. So both of y'all stage at the same time.
I'm not even you
Don't move it. It's coming down. Watch the light. 2 seconds.
I can't.
That's a nice pass. Hey, you probably way up there, but go ahead.
So that body.
Shut it.
Oh. He'll still read, right?
Yeah. No, that was sweet. Right now you're on your bumper. That's why it's doing that. I see the light. Keep going, bro.
I gotta get
2264 at 71 miles an hour.
2.6.
Yeah.
Seems faster than a lot.
No, not to me. The last one went smoother. This one hopped 2 or 3 times.
The lane.
Huh?
The lane.
I thought because it's gonna red light the other side. Nice run, bro. 2.4, 57. Need more mile an hour.
No!
Nice.
The yellow thing?
Nah, you didn't hit nothing. You didn't hit nothing. And he didn't break the other beam, right? He gave it to you, Charlie? Hold up, guys. Let me set y'all up. I don't think it's set up.
Stuff going off in the system, the DTS, everything's different.
Yeah. You're good. He got you off the light.
I had to steer a couple times too.
Nice run, Tony. So you didn't even touch the DTS, but I'm not gonna lie, that happened.
I'm gonna try the tires. I'm hearing that same sound out of your tires too. It almost sounds like it's like whoa, whoa, whoa.
I ain't gonna lie, man. When that boost kick in, that shit make me nervous, and I'm driving the motherfucker. For real. Did you go up on anything?
Get it all
Let's
set
get that
up.
2-2. Why you keep letting off before the line? You keep letting off before the line. You letting off before you break the beam, bro. I had to been a 2-1. Two, 3, 70. Damn, Kev. No red light there. Yeah, I seen it. You gotta go up to that wheel. Somewhat accurate reading. You turn when you mash the brake, just gradually get on the brake. Alright, y'all, these is the it reactions. Fucking tires is no game, bro. No spinning at all off that line. We talking about none. Hook and book. Ooh. Air tires for the win, man. Alright, turned it up a little bit. See if it's gonna spin or take it out the hole. Ooh, them boys in trouble, boy. Oh my goodness. Let's go, baby. Probably just popped the damn tire. You got 2 seconds.
Yeah, you need to hurry the fuck up.
Watch the light.
They're already going. Not off too soon.
Yeah, you brake way too soon.
I didn't want it to walk. It seemed like it was a pass.
It was a good pass.
2-4, 49.
That's it.
And dark out here, y'all.
It went red.
For real? For real? Come back through the other side and break that beam. See if it gives it to you.